So, guys, listen, it looks like something is wrong with Ulwandle, or should I say something is offish with Ulwandle. Hi, everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. So, in this past episode of Uthando Nesembo season 9, this was episode 2, Macele goes home to talk to her sisters about the tombstone that was delivered that was wrong. I was like, wait, what? What a mistake to make. But they spent like 1 second talking about that with his sisters, but went back to talking about who, Umayeni, and Mangwabe. Anyway, put that aside. Another thing was that Ulwandle was there engolweni. Initially, when Umacele and her sisters are coming out of the house, she looks at indlu yakhe because she has a house that she built at home. Remember when they got into the conflicts with Umselegu and Umacele was celebrating finishing building the house, and Umselegu was like, "You can't really celebrate because imali yakamselegu, you understand." That house. So she looks at it and she's like, "Angifuni nokuya lapha. I don't even want to go inside the house because I don't know what I will find." Because most of the time, Lwandle is at ezingolweni komalume wakhe, and you never know what he is up to. I kind of felt like Macele doesn't want Ulwandle on camera. Okay, because I do feel like there is something that is going on with Ulwandle. They don't want to bring like public attention to it. Lwandle is just acting funny. So she says she does not want to go to the house. And also there was someone sitting there. You could see the amadolo in Tombazan. And I was like, I wonder who that is. Is it his girlfriend or what? Some people are saying Usne was around. If you watch very closely the scenes, you will see that Usne is around, and it was her sitting there because they obviously don't want to reveal her pregnancy yet. So she was hiding. So maybe possible. But what happens, you guys, the scene that happens in this season with Macele and Lwandle, it looks exactly like the scene that happened last season in season 8, where Umacele was at Ezingolweni at home and found out that Lwandle was there too. And the funny thing is that Ulwandle is wearing the exact same clothes that he was wearing last season when they were shooting that scene. And Umacele expressed to Kuti, your dad is worried about you spending a lot of time here. And I think eventually we will find out what you are doing here. At the time, my interpretation of that was that Macele just meant you're probably spending a lot of time with with girls in that house. And eventually we will find out, because somebody's gonna fall pregnant, honey. I thought that's what she meant. But I feel like there's something else going on with Ulwandle. This season, it's the same scene. When I think I am convinced that Umacele was trying to avoid Lwandle coming on camera. She did not want to go to the house, and she makes sure that it felt like she's making sure that production understands that I don't want to go to that house because I do not want to know what's happening there. But I think while she was in the house, and one crew member must have gone and called Lwandle and be like, "Listen, you need to shoot this scene with your mom." Then when they are coming out of the house now, when Macele is about to leave, she sees Ulwandle, she calls Ulwandle, she's like, "What's going on?" Ulwandle does not look even like well kept. I'm like, but Ulwandle is not the calm Ulwandle that he normally is. He's just laughing at nothing, if you know what I mean. If I was a parent, like, I will be worried about Lwandle. Something is going on with Lwandle. Lwandle is acting strange. There is something that is making him not want to spend time emzini wakhe or either emzumba. Also, I started thinking about it. Why is Musamseleko cracking his head trying to find somebody ozonakekela emzumbe, and Ulwandle is there komalume wakhe ezingolweni looking like he needs a place to stay because he does not want to live with his mother. I guess he wants to spend more time engolweni. why angayi eMzumbe. I wondered, you guys. I just wondered about what's going on with uLwandle. He looked a little bit like mhlambe udle i-happy pill ethile, you know. And Umacele was really trying to cut the conversation short. I felt like she just wants to say, your dad is worried about you. He doesn't like the fact that you're here, but hey, your dad is rushing me. I need to go. Okay, because shouldn't you be spending a bit of time finding out why is your son not wanting to spend time at home and wanting to be here? But Macele really looked like she wanted to cut that scene with uLwandle short. This is where Uthando Nesimbo really looks like it's unfair. Because let me tell you something, we are going to find out this season that Sneh is pregnant. And when we do, they are going to make an episode especially exposing Sneh's pregnancy. And it's going to be a big deal. And they are actually not going to give Sneh a chance of whether she wants that to be revealed on the show or not. But I do feel like with uLwandle, they're definitely protecting something there. Something is not right with uLwandle. He doesn't want to be home. He doesn't want to be eMzumbe. And he just doesn't look like, if you know what I mean, he just doesn't look like he is like, okay. And he no longer spends time with his brother because they were almost like twins. Mpumelelo will be going to check on his girlfriends with uLwandle. Every time he'll be going live on Instagram, uLwandle will be sitting right next to him. They no longer do that. So I feel like it looks like they are protecting something when it comes to Lwandle. I feel like it is unfair that they do that, especially uMacele. Yes, I've always been someone that says Macele absolutely loves Sneh, and of course she does, and she's raised her and her kid. But there is it's different how she protects Abongwe, how she protects uLwandle, how she protects ubani lomunye Owami, then Usne, she will expose Usne on TV. Usne's mistakes must be for the world to see. Something is going on with uLwandle. Something is off. Okay. Now, when it comes to the whole thing of Usne, we know that there's going to be a pregnancy test. And people have said that it's possible that it's Makwela, but I'm convinced that there is a Sneh's pregnancy test. Macele would not be worried much about Makwela falling pregnant again because that's what she came for. But she definitely would be unimpressed with Sneh falling pregnant. Okay, so I think they're going to do that on the show. Now, here's the thing, you guys. The wives have enough content. The wives have enough content. All of them are upset at Umseligu for something. They have their families, they have their friends, they have a lot going on. So I always just feel like they still Ingane Zethembu content and put it, whatever is the best content that's happening with the kids, they will put it on Uthando Nesimbo. Then when it's time to do Ingane Zethembu Siporeke, and just like we are just watching them just moving up and down, and then the pressure is on Mpumelelo because Mpumelelo is the one on Nesimbo on Ingane Zethembu. Then the pressure is on Mpumelelo to doing something crazy so that and then we'll be seeing uTirelo just crying and crying and crying as I cry so that those other fans can be happy with uyakhala and then people can watch the show. It's too much pressure for Tirelo, okay? Because they always take a good storyline, that is the kids storyline, and put it on the main show when they themselves said the kids don't get paid to do the main show. They don't get paid to do Uthando Nesimbo, but they get paid to doing Ingane Zethembu. But they always whatever is a good juicy storyline that has to do with the kids, they will put it on Uthando Nesimbo. I feel like if they reveal Sneh's pregnancy on Uthando Nesimbo, they are being unfair because that's a very juicy storyline for Ingane Zethembu, and that show ends up boring. Like sometimes I'm like, what is even the point of us having Ingane Zethembu? Because there isn't much that happens. Isn't it's like we already know from Muthando Nesithibe. They need to be able to separate the storylines. I feel like the Snare's pregnancy is a storyline for Ingane Nesithibe. But of course, we know somebody is very greedy and they want it on their main show, even though they are also making money on the other show. But anyways, you guys, listen, okay? If you didn't see Lwandle, you would just see these pictures and tell me, okay? If I'm wrong and it doesn't look like anything is wrong with Lwandle, if you didn't feel like Umacele was trying to cut that conversation short with Lwandle, well, I guess I'm wrong. But, a lot of the times I have been right. Something is going on with Lwandle Mseleko. Thank you so much. Ngithanda kakhulu.